Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make name label stickers in Canva quickly and easily. This is a fantastic way to personalize your items, from notebooks and lunchboxes to anything you want to keep track of. We'll dive right into the process, so grab your computer and let's get started. Firstly, go ahead and open up Canva on your computer. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up, which is free and quick. Once you're logged in, look for the search bar at the top of the page. Here, you're going to type in the keyword sticker. Canva offers a vast array of sticker templates, so by typing in sticker, you can access all these creative options. Take a moment to browse through them. As you explore the template options, focus on finding a sticker design that includes text. This is crucial because you'll want to customize this text for your name labels. Click on the one that catches your eye and looks suitable for your needs. Canva's selection is extensive, catering to different aesthetic preferences, so choose one that resonates with your style or the style of whoever you're making these for. Once you've selected a template, click on Customize this template. This will open up a design window where you can start personalizing your chosen sticker. Canva's interface is user-friendly and intuitive, perfect for both beginners and more experienced users. You'll see the design layout, including the text area, which is now ready for you to make it your own. Now, go ahead and edit the text on your chosen sticker. Click on the text box and type in the label you wish to apply. You can change the font size, color, and style to better match the vibe you're going for. If you're making these labels for kids, consider using fun and playful fonts. Canva allows you to bring a personal touch to your labels, making them truly unique. You also have the option to change any images or graphics within the template. If there's an image that doesn't fit your theme, simply click on it and either delete or replace it with an image from Canva's library or upload your own. Make sure the designs and colors suit the overall look you're aiming for, perhaps by incorporating icons or graphics representative of the items these labels are for. Lastly, once you've customized everything to your liking, remember to save your design. You can download it in various formats such as PDF or PNG depending on your printing needs. And there you have it, your very own customized name labels. Whether for organizing your belongings or adding a personal touch to gifts, these labels are versatile and fun. Thanks for watching and happy designing.